Nest School System, online classes session. Dear student, let's start today's lecture.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your vocabulary teacher. How are you, class? Hopefully you are well. Now I am going to learn about the vocabulary of A. Open your copy. First of all, draw the margin line and then write the date and day. On the top line, write first line vocabulary of A. First word is am. Am mean whom. Second word apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. Apple mean seed. Third word is animal. A-N-I-N-E, M-A-L, animal. Animal mean जानवर. Fourth word is aunt. A-N-T, aunt. Aunt mean chunti. Five word is aeroplane. A-E-R-O, arrow, P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Aeroplane mean jahaz. Write 6 to 10 vocabulary word yourself. Ready the next page for sentences. Make sentences of these words. First word is apple. Second word is am. Third word is aunt. Fourth word is animal. Okay students, do your work neatly and focus your writing. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
A message from teacher. Please read carefully. Dear students, please note your dairy work. Thanks for watching. Take care.